A juggler stands on a windswept shore, one foot lifted, the other grounded, as he balances two golden coins bound by a green lemniscate. Behind him, ships rise and fall on tall, tumbling waves. The Two of Pentacles is Earth learning to move, balance found not in stillness but in rhythm, resilience, and continuous adjustment. The juggler is the core symbol. His bright clothing and playful stance embody flexibility shaped by discipline. Although one leg lifts in motion, his posture remains centered. He represents Earth in its adaptive form, not rigid stone but fertile soil that bends without breaking. He shows that stability is a practice, not a fixed state, and that life's demands are met through responsiveness rather than resistance. The two pentacles looped in the infinity sign form the second key symbol. This green lemniscate links the coins in endless flow, teaching that material life is cyclical: income and expenditure, effort and rest, commitment and release. Balance here is kinetic. It is performed moment by moment. The figure 8 shape suggests continuity, reminding us that as one priority rises, another must fall, and the dance continues only when energy circulates freely. His hat and garments echo the curve of the infinity loop, subtly reinforcing the idea that adaptability becomes second nature through practice. What once felt stressful becomes graceful through repetition. This is the wisdom of Earth refined by movement, consistency expressed through fluidity. Behind him, the restless sea churns with large rolling waves carrying two ships that pitch dramatically yet remain upright. These vessels represent external life, markets, emotions, relationships, forces beyond personal control. Though the world fluctuates wildly, the ships do not capsize, affirming that inner rhythm sustains us through outer turbulence. The sky overhead is pale and windy, alive with motion. Air mixes with earth here, suggesting that intellect supports practicality. The card teaches that grounding and lightness must coexist. Seriousness without humor becomes strain. In readings, the Two of Pentacles appears during periods of juggling responsibilities, work, finances, health, family, compelling priorities. Its counsel is to keep moving, lighten the attitude, prioritize flow over perfection, and trust that rhythm is more important than rigidity. It encourages flexibility, humor, and practical grace under pressure.